Вітаю, шаноўнае спадарства, вітаю, дарагія сябры. Сёння мы з вамі будзем гуляць у Life is Strange, якая не тое, каб суперновая гульня, мякка кажучы, але яна была зарэмайстрана адносна нядаўна. Вось, і мы будзем гуляць у яе на беларускай мове. І гэта файна, што ёсць беларусізатары. Калі вы захочаце самі пагуляць у гэтую гульню па-беларуску, то вы можаце спампаваць беларусізатар. Зараз я, дарэчы, спасылку замацую. Вы можаце спампаваць беларусізатар на сайце Анібел. Зараз я дадам спасылку ў чат. Цудоўна. Тады пагналі. Так, што тут трэба націскаць? Куды я патрапіла, дзе мае рэчы? Окей, эпізоды я мяркую. Пачнем спачатку. Я калісьці пачынала гуляць у гэтую гульню, але ў мяне быў доступ толькі да першага эпізоду, таму я нават, у прынцыпе, не ведаю, што там далей, насамрэч. Распачаць. Плюс для мяне будзе дастаткова новы досвед, тое, што мне не трэба чытаць усе тэксты, што вы іх самі можаце прачытаць і зразумець. Паглядзім, як яно пойдзе.
There's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Я кудысьці не туды прыйшла? Блін, я нічога не бачу. Але я так разумею, што так і было задумана, тыпу, гэтай самы. Мне трэба прыгнуцца тут? Макс, можа, і зможа, а я ўжо ў тупіку. Я пачынаю нервавацца. Куды мы ішлі ўвогуле? Наверх туды, так? Я ўжо заблукала. Да чухай ты, ну. Божа, гэтыя камяні нельга пераступіць. Непераступальныя камяні.
I've never seen a storm like this in Oregon.
Я ўвогуле нідзе такога шторму не бачыла, шчыра кажучы, не толькі ў Арэгоне. Всё нормально с тобой. Дякую, я рада, што вы са мной.
That was so surreal.
Гэта быў нейкі Брэд
But he could be
Піт.
talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment
Так,
of desperation.
затиснуть, перетягнуть до
And any one
надпису
of you could do that to
«Поглядеть»
me.
и отпустить, как поглядеть
Isn't
на
that too
фото.
easy?
А что перетягнуть куды? Я не могу
What if
натиснуть.
Arbus chose to capture people at the height of their beauty or innocence?
А,
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
Brilliant eye. So, she could have taken another approach.
I have to admit,
I should take a picture to
big
prove
fan
I'm
of
still
her work.
here. Plus, it's perfect for my portfolio.
Robert Frank.
And I have to get my daily selfie quota.
He captured the essence of post-war beat America. And there was honesty about the economic conditions of the era, but a beauty in the struggle. You don't have beauty without a beat.
I can't believe I still
Which
have this
explains
pencil
why
case.
Frank was
I
Kerouac's
should upgrade to the
photographic
21st
muse.
century.
And both were the great
But
chroniclers
I like it old
of the
school.
1950s. Well, we've all seen that iconic shot of Kerouac
I haven't
on the
kept up
dock.
with my journal as
And if
much
you
as I
haven't,
should.
Shame, shame. Capturing the romantic urban solitude of the 20th century
My little
poet.
camera bag is battered, but
did.
still kicking.
Now, contrast Frank's stark Americana with Salvador Dali's surrealist photographs. Like Cocteau, he was a true Renaissance.
блин, ну их такая
As famous
цікавая
self-portraits
лекція,
are
я б на неї
famous.
посиділа,
Early
щиро
examples
кажучи.
of that truly awful word you pesky kids love so much. The selfie. And it's a great tradition, and I wholeheartedly fight for your right to self-expression. Or selfie expression. Sorry, I know. So if anybody wants to question the I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Я
I
забыла.
did know, but I kind of forgot.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s.
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Так, бла-бла-бла. Яна вельмі рада, што яе прынялі ў акадэмію. О, здаецца, я ад кагосьці падчапіла бла-бла-бла. Хто б гэта мог быць? Так. Яе прынялі. Добра. Далей. Яна перажывае, як там Хлоя, як яе фоткі ці будуць паспяховымі. Яна переживае за асуджэнне залатого падлетка. Ёй падабаецца выкладчык мастацкі. Хатнія заданні. Новы сябар.
It's onward.
Карацей,
The first
тыповы
American
дзённік.
daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert
Дзённік тут
Cornelius.
чытаць даволі цікава, больш паглыбляе.
find
Ну
out
так,
all
я
about it
прабежалася
in your
па
textbook,
дыяганалі,
or
але
even
ўжо бачу, што ён даволі
online.
нядрэнна нас знаёміць з персанажам, проста
Guys,
на
don't
стрыме,
forget
калі
the
я буду
deadline
проста
to submit a
моўчкі
photo
сядзець
in
і
the
чытаць,
Everyday
гэта будзе
Heroes
нецікава.
contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass. Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? And people laughed.
I just really think Everyday Heroes is an important cultural event.
Of course, Victoria has to have the bestest, newest, most expensive everything.
Так, у яе можа і ўсё самае найлепшае, але падысці і проста выкарыстаць чужы планшет, гэта неяк ты не моўчкі чытай. А ў нас не будзе больш увогуле магчымасці пачытаць і дзённік. Я думаю, што, напэўна, нам яшчэ дадуць гэтую магчымасць. У любым выпадку асноўныя моманты я акрэслена. Яна вярнулася ў горад дзяцінства Сетла, яна завяла тут новага сябра, яна хоча пабачыцца са старой сяброўкай. Вось гэтая дзяўчына тут таксама ўвесь час жыла і заўсёды была такой нахалкай багаценькай. Макро Айс. Взять, зрабіць апцыянальнае фото ў першым гэтым самым. Ну, гэта прышпільнае фото, насамрэч. Мне падабаюцца такія рэчы. Яны пра тое жыццё, якое адбываецца ў гэтых пакоях. Гэта ж не проста надпіс. Гэта нейкія Рэйчел і Эмбер тут разам тусілі. Настолькі класна ім было, што яны вырашылі пра гэта напісаць на парце.
This is
Фотоапараты.
definitely where cameras go to heaven. Oh man, they have those sweet ultrasonic lenses. And look at that vintage rangefinder. What?
Ці скарыстаемся ўсё ж планшетам, яна, здаецца, не бачыць. Мы будзем гаўнюкамі, ці як нармальныя людзі не будзем лапаць чужыя рэчы. Што скажаце, сябры? Кейт.
Kate looks so sad and quiet today. Poor thing.
Яго там нічога дрэннага не будзе.
Obviously, Blackwell spent bank on the computers here.
Так, дарагія кампутары.
Looks like somebody was already working on this. Cool.
Нейкія чужыя крутыя працы.
That printer
Принтер.
is amazing. I'd love to see how it reproduces my pictures. I could pump out a whole gallery show with that thing.
Окей,
Well,
ладно,
suck.
выкарыстаем.
I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
У яе абсталяванне лепш, чым у Блэквелла. Гэтая самая рэкляма камеры. Пра то, якая яна крутая і каштуе 5 штук баксаў з гакам. Нішто сабе.
Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me.
Кожны раз, калі ты глядзіш на Вікторыю, ну, карацей, гэты самы чыста падлеткавая фіча пра тое, што вось, яны з мяне здзекуюцца, асабліва калі яны крутыя, то пра гэта вельмі перажываюць дзеці. Паглядзець.
This is ridiculous. I always get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson.
Гэта той самы выкладач, які ёй вельмі спадабаўся, яна нават жартуе, што яна выйшла за яго у сваім дзённічку. Ну-ка, паразмаўляем з
Excuse
крашам.
me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch-up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Так нам трэба яму аддаць фота, ці ўжо можна зараз не аддаваць? Мяне адпусцілі, значыць, напэўна, зараз не абавязкова. О, гэта той маяк.
You can never escape the lighthouse here.
Я сяджу і чакаю, пакуль ён сам звернецца. А ён не звернецца сам, лол. Так, глядзець.
Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious.
Загадкавы лес. Што у нас ёсць яшчэ цікавага тут у кабінеце? Тэлевізор.
Man, he even has the best plasma HDTV for a class monitor. Can't wait to watch some more documentaries on this bad boy.
Книжки.
So cool that we can check these out anytime. The Decisive Moment by Henry Cartier-Bresson? That's rare. Annie Leibovitz, mad respect. The amazing Eugene Smith, good to see Abaddon among the masters. Dali, of course. Lots of people I haven't heard of yet. I guess that's why I'm here.
Я зайздрошчу ёй насамрэч, я б хацела ў такой акадэміі вучыцца, а не вось гэта вось усё. Так круто бачыць, як хтосьці гуляе ўпершыню. Ну, я вось у гэтую частку я ўжо калісьці гуляла, але гэта было настолькі даўно, што я літаральна нічога не памятаю. Я там на пачатку заблудзілася ў лесе. Заблукала.
Then I might send you a special picture during class.
Because Max wants everybody to see how good she is.
She plays it so shy. I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
Яна так шмат думае пра тое, як яна выглядае, пачынаеш аж наверыць, што яна падлетак.
She's so funny.
Хаця я ў падлеткавым узросце не была so obsessed з гэтай думкай. А гэта у яе ў навушніках музыка грае. Блін, гэта прышпільна, мне падабаецца гэты прыём.
Alyssa is always texting, but she doesn't hang out with a lot of people. Evan doesn't say much to me, but his photos are very cool. I hate having everybody see inside my locker.
Наша шафка.
I love that picture of Mom and Dad. Hello, Jack. Kiss, kiss. Andy, you look totally fabulous, as usual. Yes, this poster must stop bullies dead in their tracks.
Лістоўкі не бульце нікога. Канешне, так, гэта дапаможа. Не паліце, таксама вельмі будзе
That's
продуктыўны
Dana talking
плакат.
to- I think his name is Justin. Dana is on my floor too. She's such an archetypal, gorgeous cheerleader. They must make them in a factory. I shouldn't be so catty. Dana is nice to me. Stella is always deep in her notes. She didn't come to Blackwell to mess around. I've seen Brooke hanging out with Warren. She seems like his type.
I cry sometimes, walking around my own place.
I hate bully jockstraps like Logan.
She cries,
And he's a Vortex Club member.
talking about her own place.
Бедны хлопец.
Around the mountain,
Я ў сваім падлеткавым узросце не праходзіла міма такой фігні, абавязкова мне трэба было ўлезці, іх разняць і сказаць, што вы робіце, та-та. Я, напэўна, і зараз бы міма не прайшла.
Poor Daniel. He's so nice. I wish I could beat the shit out of Logan. It looks like she's been gone for months.
Рэйчел Ембер. О, а гэта не тая Рэйчел, пра якую было напісана на парце? Напэўна, тая самая.
I wish October would last forever. Don't need a PC, missed the Poetry Jam tryouts, and I did not steal that backpack.
Некі заплечнік, што? Я нічога не зразумела. Ладно.
That's so messed up. I should contact them to find out what I can do. As if I am.
І гэта круто, ты малайчынка. Ай, дзякуй. Я проста... Насамрэч, гэта не заўсёды робіць добра нават таму, каго буляць. І я пра гэта ведаю. І я ведаю, што агулам гэта праблему не вырашае, і што для мяне гэта можа і часам апыналася праблемамі. Але я проста, не здольная трываць такое гаўно. Так, Safe Arcadia Bay. За апошняе дзесяцігоддзе змена клімата памяняла берагавую лінію Арэгона, уключаючы фауну і рыбаў. Гэта дапамагло праз гэта пацярпела рыбная індустрыя, асабліва ў Аркадія Бэй. Галасуйце супраць забруднення і выратуйце наш гістарычны горад. Не падвядзіце свой горад. Вадапой. О, дзякуй. Вельмі заўчасна, якраз пасля чытання. І Макс сказала, што ёй бы хацелася туды звярнуцца, нібыта яна можа чымсьці дапамагчы. Так. Гандлёвы аўтамат.
They should just call it a sugar machine.
О, я згодна з
That
табой,
would be
дзяўчынка.
awesome if you put money in there and a bag of sugar dropped out.
Яна сказала, што гэта хутчэй цукровы аўтамат, а не гандлёвы, і я з ёй цалкам згодна. Заўсёды ў такіх аўтаматах усё проста цукровая бомба, цукровая бомба, цукровая бомба. І зноў гэтая дзяўчына зніклая.
What actually happened to her?
till she got
19 гадоў, вага 50 кіло, блондинка, светла-карыя вочы. Тату ў выглядзе цмока і ў выглядзе зоркі. У яе 19 ужо тату, я зайздрошчу. Я ўсё ніяк не дам рады сабе зрабіць тату. Хейден. Я націснула паглядзець, што ты мне дурыш галаву. Ладно, спачатку на плакат
Oh,
Oh,
I can hardly wait to never be too cool like Nathan and Victoria. Lame. There's Hayden, another Vortex Club bro. But he's actually not an ass.
Так. О, туалет. Мы туди йшли, так? Джульєтта.
There's Juliet from my dorm. Yet another Vortex Club disciple.
to all of you. American
Figures Juliet would be dating Zachary. Jocks sucked up in the Vortex Club.
world without you.
Семюел.
Girls I'd like
God, Samuel is such a weirdo. But I kinda like that about him.
around you.
А ти ходиш і піхаєшся, так?
Car by the seaside, watching the world from the bright side.
He's cute. I like skater boys. Too bad they don't like me.
Їй подобаються скейтери. Спочатку на пірсинг зганяємо, після можна про тату думати. Окей, домовилися.
American girls in the movies. No one can
Так. Погнали у туалет, так? Увести.
American girls like dollies with
Empty.
shiny
Good.
smiles.
Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me. I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy? Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift. Fuck it. When
І
a door
синій мотильок.
closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
As he likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I
our
already
glory.
heard this lecture.
From light to shadow. From color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy,
Anybody?
I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane
Can I
Arbus.
actually reverse
There
time?
you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Не, ну, логічна, коли ти можеш відмотувати час, то
I
лепш
actually did it.
їбіть свою
Photographer who
камеру.
perfectly captured the
human
human condition
time
in black
machine.
and white. Anybody? Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her
Keep it
images of
together,
hopeless
Max.
faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as
When I took
torture.
my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question. If he does again,
I
I'll
believe
know
Max
this is
is
for
making
real.
what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was not
can
the
go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead
I
yet?
couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the bathroom
long as it's
quickly
been
and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Яна не стане адпавядаць. Я б спачатку адказала ўсё ж, тым больш, што ты ўжо ведаеш адказ, бо ты яго мінулым разам пачула.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I
who
need time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again
Daguerrean process
and give him the right
brought
answer?
out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward.
Мне падабаецца, як гукавыя эфекты зрабілі на адмотванне часу, яно сапраўды дзіўна гучыць.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Гэтым разам, я мяркую, мы ідзем адразу ў прыбіральню, ўжо не спыняемся, бо мы ўжо ўсё гэта
I
бачылі,
see
так?
you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Yeah, I'm not sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
Левый контрол.
Victoria, you still have to do your homework this week. Even if you're submitting your photo for the competition, everybody in...
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Так, ага, мы просто кинулі ў яго ягоныя ж цытаты, і ён ад нас адчапіўся.
I hope I have
Нядрэнна.
enough
Не
time
думаю,
to
што
go to
гэта
the
б
bathroom.
спрацавала ў рэальным жыцці.
Please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
Yo, Daniel.
You know I don't tease.
I hate that science class with those nerds.
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a
Що
little
ми
girl
зробимо?
and
Ми
talks
просто
to
вискочимо і
himself.
скажемо «не
I
стріляй»?
know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing?
Don't
Come on, put that thing
ever
down.
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer,
I'm
it's
so
happening
sick
again.
of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble
No,
for
he
this
has a
than
gun.
drugs.
Nobody
I should
would
do something
ever
else.
even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away
Так а
from
що
me,
ти можеш?
psycho!
А,
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick.
I need a
of people
hammer to break
trying
it open.
control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Oh, shit! No, 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 no. Even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun.
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me. No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
чаго ён увогуле менавіта да яе дакалупаўся? А хто гэта такая файненькая стрыміць зноўку? Ай, дзякуй за камплімент. У які бок увогуле выхад з гэтай багадзельні?
Principal Wells always looks so distracted. I can never figure out what he's thinking. Does he hate me?
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told you?
We'll continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything since the Prescott family owns Blackwell now. Should I rewind and change my story?
Ну, конечно же, нічого не зробить. Тоді ми нічого йому і не скажемо. Пішов у сраку.
Hold on, Max. Come back here. You look a little stressed out.
Ага, то
Are you
без
okay?
розмови не обійдеться.
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's class.
Just tell me what you're hiding. You can trust me.
There's nothing to hide. I got sick. It happens, you know.
There's that teen toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3 weeks and you're already causing conflict. I don't think your parents will approve when they find out. Now get outside with class. Please.
Так а что я хаваю,
Not
по-твоему?
by that at all. I may have just flushed my scholarship down the toilet. Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
Правду? А то бок есть только два варианта. Правда и мне стало млосно.
Hold on, Max. Come back here.
Так, я бачу мега по-азерски родное слово. Я хочу просто дочекаться
You
некого
look a little
момента,
stressed
где...
out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong?
Не могу я быть с тобой
Is that it?
щирой, чел, и ты гэта
Well,
ведаешь.
Max, talk to me.
Окей, у нас и так будут проблемы. Что мы выбираем? Ён думае, што я на траву хаваю? Ну ладно. Нешта яна не вельмі падобная на дзяўчынку, якая будзе хаваць траву, але добра. Што мы з вамі робім? Мы будзем даносіць на Нейтана або прамаўчым, бо праблемы падобна, што ў нас будуць у любым выпадку. Вырашаць вам. Ты звычайна даносіш? Ну, мы паглядзім, можа, хто-небудзь яшчэ што-небудзь напіша, а пакуль мы зробім роднае слова. Так. Дзякуй за вадзічку. Роднае слова у нас 875. Зараз. Слоўнічак, як бачыце, такі ў мяне не гэтае самае, не маленькі. Мы можам нават зрабіць вось так. Вось слоўнік. И 2, 7. Раз, два, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Допирать. Настаивать крепко. Допирая, каб сядні скрасили луг. Або дотаскивать с трудом. Або папракаць. І што ты мне гэтым дапіраеш? Вось такое вось слова. І не трэба мне дапіраць, што я неяк не так прачытала. Так, ну што? Данясем, я мяркую.
That's crazy. I get why school should be on high alert these days, but cameras in the dorm rooms.
It's a slippery slope, and it's up to you and your classmates to stand up here. Blackwell Academy has a noble heritage, from the Native Americans who founded this land to the pioneers who shared it in peace.
Кому треба гульня, коли можна глядіти на Ерику? Oh, stop it.
You know a lot about Blackwell for being the science teacher.
Science is history, Max. And I have a secret wish to teach local lore and legends. There's a lot of unique facts about this you might really enjoy discovering. Now, before I assign you homework with this lecture, will you please sign the petition to keep our campus from going back to 1984?
Absolutely. I don't mind security, but not pure surveillance.
I knew you were my favorite new student at Blackwell for a good reason.
Так, мы подписали петицию, вы купили ня. Добре, зараз. Ня.
There's Hayden and his Vortex Club harem. He sure is living the dream. Brooke actually has a drone?
А, яна дроном кіруе. Я думала, яна гуляе ў нешта. Можно сесть, а можно что? Водограй? А, ясно.
I bet the Blackwell founders would shit cats if they saw today's student body walking around like zombies on their phones. Stella always looks so serious and dedicated. Good for her.
О, скейтери. Вона ж казала, що їй подобаються скейтери.
I better read Warren's. This is a great image. All those rippling green coins. Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Їй треба взяти флешку.
I could go for a burger now. There's Justin and his skater posse. They're so cute doing their tricks. Yo, Justin.
Check out the Max. Come to thrash?
Oh yeah? Bring it.
What's your first move gonna be?
Jump?
You're such a poser. If you can't even name a simple nose slide or a tray flip, you should walk on.
Окей, зараз ми тебе назовем.
Yo, Justin.
Check out the Max. Come to thrash?
I came to nose slide. But I'd love to see somebody do a tree flip.
Oh, sick. You're not a poser.
Nah, I just can't skate worth shit.
Oh, check it. We're gonna destroy some rails for you. What do you want to see?
Go for a tree flip.
Let's get Trevor all over that action. Oh, ow. Ooh.
Hey.
I'm stoked to see those photos framed and shit. You're not really a skate Betty, though.
I used to be, but I'm into my camera now.
I can tell. We need more girls out here. Rachel Amber and her punk friend used to skate with us.
You knew Rachel?
She used to chill with us sometimes. But one day, she just vanished. I hope she's living the dream somewhere. And if anybody hurt her, we'll get a skate posse and take them out with our boards.
Who was Rachel's punk friend?
I can't remember her name. She was hot. Tats, blue hair, hardcore. She stopped hanging out with us after Rachel disappeared. Ran away.
Тобто вони тусили зі зниклою дівчиною і з її сябровкою.
Fuck that. I'd rather rollerblade than hang out with snobs like her.
Let's chill later, Justin.
Anytime you want to take some action shots, we're here for you, Max.
Окей, ми засябравалися з скейтерами. Я лічу, гэта не дрэнна. Яго можна сфотаць. Так, дзякую, я зарыентавалася. Так. А куди нам ісці треба, каб потрапіць у кампус?
Daniel is always drawing something. He makes me look like an extrovert. What's up, Daniel?
Oh, hi, Max. Could I, ask you a question? Would you mind letting me sketch you? I do put my sketches on Facebook, though.
I'd be honored, Daniel. Makes me feel like a muse.
Funny, you should say that. I was just thinking about my real muse. Rachel Amber.
You knew her?
No, but once she asked me to draw her portrait. Oh, she was a natural.
So what happened to her? There's gotta be a story.
She just stopped coming to class. Some people said she ran away. Some say she jumped off a cliff. I just hope she's okay.
Нібыта ўсе яе ведалі, нібыта усім яна
posters
падабалася.
all over campus.
Kills me to see her sweet face used as a crime photo. She had a good heart.
Okay, why don't you start drawing me? Even though I must be a step down from Rachel.
No way, you're a good substitute, Muse. Oh, that's a good posture. Good, good.
Best portrait ever.
Сапраўды вельмі міленька намаляваў яе.
That's one of his famous shots. I love how it captures the moment.
Чиїх? Не зразумела, чиїх.
Clever. That's Luke Parker. Zachary pushed him into a locker last week. Go bullies. Hello?
Max, I don't feel like talking.
Oh, sorry. I won't bother you.
Ну ладно. Ну што, будзем яшчэ да кагосьці дакалупвацца ці пойдзем да інтэрнатаў?
I need to go there and grab Warren's flash drive.
О, тут яшчэ нехта сядзіць.
Evan's portfolio always looks so uber pro. I'd love to see his photos in there. I think his name is Evan. He always looks so intense. Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Gotta be Eugene Smith.
Well, they both were famous war photographer images, but you should know the difference. Good try. Wrong answer.
Evan's portfolio always looks so uber pro. I'd love to see his photo. Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Так, гэта не Юджин Смит. Роберт Дуано.
Isn't it Robert Doisneau?
Oh my. You can't even tell the difference between street photography and
У
photojournalism.
нас засталіся цэлых
No
два
portfolio
варыянта.
peek for you.
То бок усяго два варыянта.
I think his name is Evan. He always looks. Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Простае пытанне, канешне, капец.
Steve McCurry?
Unless he could travel back in time. McCurry was born 5 years after the falling soldier picture. McCurry also shoots in color. In other words, no portfolio.
Гэта ты так думаеш, насамрэч я пагляджу гэтае долбанае
Evan.
партфоліо.
Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who
Конечно,
photographed the famous falling soldier?
Bad luck, я ўсіх перабрала.
Robert Capa, of course. I love his work, despite the controversy about that photo.
My. This quiet child knows things.
That's why I'm here.
You're a kindred spirit, Max. Would you care for a perusal of my portfolio? It's not a privilege I grant to many.
I'd be honored, sir. These photos are great. And Rachel Amber's face is mesmerizing.
І ён таксама фоткаў Рэйчел. Рэйчел паўсюль.
Hi, Evan.
As you can see, Rachel Amber was my favorite model here. She knew exactly what angles worked best with my eye.
What was she like?
She was like mercurial. You know what that means.
Of course I do, you snob. I know, I can be a little diva. What do you think happened to her?
Nothing good, Max. Nothing good.
О. Мабуть, можна порозмовляти з дзяўчынай з дроном, які тут літає.
Hi, Brooke.
Let me guess. You want to fly my drone?
Is that really yours? Is that even legal?
Of course. Nobody knows about it yet.
Isn't it considered a weapon of war?
You read too many conspiracy sites. This might be too complicated for you. Funny. Warren said you were smart. Please, step back.
Ні, мені так не подобається.
Hi, Brooke.
Let me guess. You want to fly my drone?
I'd love to. I love planes and balloons and...
This is neither. Do you know what a drone really is?
A weapon, right?
You read too many conspiracy sites. This might be too complicated for you. Funny. Warren said you were smart. Please, step back.
Карацей, лепш увогуле з ёй не размаўляць.
I'm almost sure Warren has the same bag. It looks a bit... What a complicated name for such a tiny drone.
Хай Fly B400 EVO. А вось цяпер можна з ёй
Let me
паразмаўляць.
guess. You want to fly my drone?
That
Тебе
looks
крутий
like a
дрон.
high-fly drone. Model B400 EVO. Now that's a nice piece of tech.
You're full of surprises. Why would you know that?
I love aerial photography. Drones are perfect for that, especially those with great range. It's a new era of images.
Most impressive, Max. Warren said you were multifaceted. Here, give the drone a whirl around campus.
Ледзь не ляснула яго аб зямлю, бедны дрон. Я мушу яго кудысьці спыніць, ці ён сам спыніцца, мне цікава. Во. Всё, цяпер мы, здаецца, з усімі паразмаўлялі, апроч вось гэтых напышчаных чэлікаў, але я не хачу з імі размаўляць. З гэтыя з Вортекса.
That's so cool that Blackwell is doing a show of Mr. Jefferson's work.
А, гэта містера Джефферсона праца. Окей.
Come on, Logan, bring it, brah. Yeah.
I need to go to my room and return Warren's flash drive.
Так.
Yeah.
I feel like Alyssa and I should be better friends.
Oh. Hi, Max.
Что
What are you
читаешь?
Love today or die forever. Don't even say anything.
It's a bestseller. What to say?
Good point. Now if you'll excuse me.
Кошик для сміття.
Nice, bro.
Good old Samuel. Some people are creeped out by him. And he's not creepy, just X-Files weird. Howdy, Samuel.
Well, hello there.
Ён смешны.
You look busy, Samuel.
I'm always up to something. Today it's sweeping, then painting windows.
Just don't paint over the posters for Rachel Amber.
You can't color over that sunlight.
You knew Rachel?
How can you know a prison? You just stare in awe. Now I have to go paint windows.
What was she like? She must have been popular.
Even sunlight can cast shadows. Rachel did both at once, you know. She was like a battery. Positive and negative.
What do you think happened to her?
Best not to dwell on the past. Samuel looks forward, like a clock.
See you later, Samuel.
And
Ён
watch you step
сапраўды
around here,
вельмі
Max.
дзіўны.
After I sweep, I paint.
There's Kate, looking sadder than usual. Hi, Kate.
Hey, Max.
You look down. You okay?
I'm kind of over humanity today. Sorry to be a drama queen.
Is there anything...
Max, I'd like to be alone if you don't mind. I'm sorry.
Ну ладно. І гэта ўсю гульню пераклалі або толькі адзін эпізод. Усю гульню.
Nice, bro.
Oh, shit. There's Victoria and her mean girls.
Oh, look, it's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell. What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled. Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving. Oh, wait. Hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh, yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way.
Кашкавий зад.
I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way. I could crank the sprinkler up and give Victoria and her clones incentive to beat it. I could crank the sprinkler up and give Victoria and her clones incentive to beat it.
Нам показалі гэтую фарбу неспроста. Гэта ж неспроста. Калі вісіць
Keep walking, hippie.
ружо, то яно мусіць стрэліць. Калі вісіць фарба, то яна мусіць фарбаваць? Не. Не проста для фарбавання нам яе паказалі. Мы неяк можам скінуць гэтую фарбу на гэтых дзяўчат?
I need to figure this out.
Зламаць.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Паглядзім, ці гэта спрацуе.
No.
Ці мы хочам размаўляць з гэтымі хлопцамі, нешта яны мне не падабаюцца. Не будзем з імі размаўляць.
Close, but
Оба.
no cigar. They have to be right under the bucket.
What the hell?
Так. Тады мы пераставім драбіну.
I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt. I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way. Okay, let's see if this works.
Так а як яго пададвінуць? На драбіну яна лезці не хоча.
None shall pass. Capiche?
Victoria is not getting the hint. I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this!
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps. No. Do you understand English? Get lost.
О, ось так.
I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close.
А, ну то бок мы спачатку ламаем гэтую штуку, а потым ідзем туды, і якраз яны калі ўскокваюць. Окей,
let's see
я,
if this
здається,
works.
зрозуміла.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this.
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
І тепер ён зараз падымецца і ўроніць фарбу. І вада будзе найменшай з тваіх праблемаў, гаўнючка.
No way! No fucking
You
way!
okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair, nope.
Get the
Sorry.
hell away from me, weirdo.
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I dry.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches. Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
I am sorry. That's an awesome cashmere coat.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfits.
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes. Thanks, Max.
О, я калі
I
яе
hope those sluts
фарбай...
get me a towel before they hang a sign on me. You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was mean, but pretty funny.
Just one of those days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria. I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
Вы паглядзіце, яна нават можа быць не сучкай. Усяго-то трэба было яе фарбай абліць.
Victoria probably played me. I should have played her. Better get to my room before I find Warren.
Гэта проста, калі яна выйшла, на мемы разабралі. Ну так. Go fuck your selfie. Яна зараз выдаліла фота Макса. Ну так. То бок яна не будзе дрэнную фотку распасуджваць.
Is this a Vortex Club or a Victoria Club initiation? Truly pathetic.
Тейлор рабыня ці написано. Што тут написано? Нешта пра снід, бла-бла-бла, нічога
Go, Miss
важнага.
Grant. Not sure if I will, though. I'm a loser.
Тут написано, што будзе выступ наконт таго, што мы супраць таго, каб у нас па ўсім кампусе паставілі відэакамеры. Не фотакамеры, відэакамеры. Дошка, паглядзець.
I'd love to make a photo collage of every person who've posted these.
Чытаць? Не бойся, рыхтуйся. Трэніроўкі маладых стралкоў. Навучыцца абыходжанню са зброяй можна нават да 21 года. Ад аўтамата Калашнікава да звродаўкі. Вучні выкарыстоўваюць цудоўныя бяспечныя пластыкавыя макеты. Завітайце ў наш бункер для дэманстрацыі з 10 раніцы да 5 вечара з панядзелка па суботу Хемінгвей 174. Не бойцеся вялікіх сабак. Студэнтам Блэквола скидка 20%. І Макс сказала, што яна б хацела б зрабіць калаж з фотак тых, хто гэта вешае. Цікава. Каля прыбіральні наўпрост на ўсім калідоры валяецца туалетная папера.
Looks like nobody won this TP war. There's nothing left but ghosts.
Ніхто не выйграў гэтую вайну. Ладно. І зноў абвестка пра прапажу. Плакат.
They live.
Не будь зомбі. Social media. Карацей, гэта пра тое, што не тусуйся ва ўсялякіх social media, пакуль не зомбячышся. Выйсці. Так. Пакой Макс. Паглядзець.
How sad. I didn't write anything. I have nothing to say.
Як сумна, што мне няма чаго сказаць. Ну так, гэта сапраўды сумна. Будь той зменай, якую ты хочаш пабачыць, Гандзі. Увайсці ў пакой Макс.
Home sweet home. My favorite cocoon.
Яны жывуць па аднаму чалавеку ў пакоі, нішто сабе ў іх лакшары лайф. Мама. З днём нараджэння, Максін. Мы не можам паверыць, што прыйшло з 18 гадоў з тых пор, як ты нарадзілася. Ага. Макс, мне прыйшоў імэйл ад твайго рэктара. Гэта праўда, што ты выдумляеш небыліцы пра пачэснага студэнта Блэкула? Рэктар напісаў, што ўсё гэта вельмі сур'ёзна, і ён усхваляваны тваім учынкам. Нам трэба пагаварыць пра гэта. Набяры, як толькі зможаш. Мама. Ну, канешне ж, небыліцы.
Ahoy, Captain. At least I know you've got my back. When I swallowed your eye and my parents rushed me to the ER, I knew we were bonded forever. So cheesy, but it makes me smile thinking of the day Mom and I sewed that together.
О, так мило. Яны самі пашылі падушку. Так, на ложак мы пакуль лягаць не будзем. Нам трэба флешку знайсці. Цыдулка. Фотоальбом. Цыдулка, паглядзець.
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note.
Дана пакінула цыдулку. Вітанкі, дзяўчынка, я пазычыла твою флешку, каб я магла паглядзець трохі відэа, пакуль я вучуся. Калі табе яно трэба назад, проста знайдзі мяне ў маім пакоі.
Great. Now I have to go get the flash drive from Dana's room.
Так.
Here's my go-to source for instant photo inspiration.
Значыцца так. Нам цяпер трэба ў Данін пакой.
Philip Lorca de Courcia, my man. I don't think I could take my camera to those places. Look at that shot. I love Julia Cameron's Victorian vibe. Talk about analog cameras. Ah, Dolly, what a fantastic eye. He could truly freeze time.
Так. Рослина. Вода.
You are thirsty. I'm the worst baby mama. Drink up.
Гэта дзень, а будзем мець вынікі. Тое, што я паліла расліну? Паглядзець.
If I'm not looking through a viewfinder, I'm looking through a window. Always looking. One day I'll organize my film collection. One day I'll get an actual HD TV.
Калі-небудзь у мяне будзе тэлевізор, бла-бла-бла, кніга, паглядзець.
I'm glad Kate let me borrow her copy of The October Country. I should have every Bradbury book for myself. Instant film is so damn hard to find and expensive now. But I can't help it. I'm analog, not digital.
О, скардзіцца на кошты гэтай самай імгненнай плёнкі. Яны сапраўды заўсёды былі такія велічэзныя, гэтыя кошты. Бацькі плацяць за гэта, мне здаецца, калі націснуць чытаць павінны. Так, я ўжо заўважыла, што калі націснуць чытаць, то там перакладзена. Але сусвета залежыць ад расліны. Гэта міла. Лёс сусвета. Я прачытала лес.
You can't get out now, Dana. So tell me the truth or rot in there.
А што там за драма з Данай?
Welcome to the real drama queens of Blackwell.
Ow, Juliet, this is so stupid.
Answer, you wuss.
Hey, Juliet. Is everything cool?
Oh yes, Max. I've locked Dana in the room because we're cool.
Што яна зрабіла?
What did she do?
What didn't she do? Dana's been sexting with my boyfriend.
Ouch. How did you find out?
Why do you care? Why are you even asking me? You never talk, just zone out with your camera.
That's why I'm talking to you now.
What's my last name?
Джульєта... Нехай будзе Вотсон.
Juliet Watson. Duh.
I'm flattered. I didn't even think you knew my name at all.
Of course I do. Just because I don't talk a lot doesn't mean I don't care. So, how did you find out about them?
According to Victoria, Dana would do anything to date a quarterback.
According to Victoria. Huh.
She saw the sext, and Zachary won't answer his phone. Once Dana admits it, she can go. Straight to hell.
Max, I swear I didn't do anything. But I bet Victoria did. I know the proof is in her room.
Juliet, extreme reporter. Room 217? No way in hell am I ever going in here.
Так, а где покой? Боже мой, покажите мне мапу. Поглядеть.
Welcome to Black Hill.
А, пакой Вікторыі, ён наўпрост насупраць нашага пакою? Окей.
Ouch. Well, at least she puts her photographs out there. Unlike me. I bet Victoria put Juliet on her shit list after this article.
Там артыкул пра тое, што ейны клуб гэтай Вікторыі нагадвае культ.
I'll give Victoria props for not posting my photo. And for this nice shot. Boom! This is the email I need to show Juliet. Now I have to print this fast and get the hell out of here.
А дзе? А во. Сучка прыціснута ад Вікторыі Чейз да Тэйлар Крыстенсен. Тэйлар, сумна, канешне, аб гэтым паведамляць, але я кагадзе капітальна нагрэла Джульету з Данай. А трэба было ўсяго толькі сказаць Джульеце, што бачыла жорсткую інтымную перапіску Зака і Даны. Гэта ідыётка паверыла мне, і я, як я і думала, зараз ладзіць скандал у інтэрнаце. Так ёй і трэба, нечага заглядвацца на Зака. Ну, а Дана? Да кому не похер на яе. Рыхтуй попкорн, чмав. Капец. Капец. Выйсці. Так. Маленькае пытанне. Калі я бачу, што ты штосьці прапусціла і ўжо ўходзіш Локі, можна падказаць, або гэта бэксіт? Можаш падказаць, я не супраць.
No, officer, I'm not snooping. Just admiring Victoria's cutting-edge tech. Is she going to get a 3D printer for her dorm room? Maybe I will join her posse.
Яна збіраецца купіць сабе 3D прынтер, нішто сабе. Навошта ён ёй?
She's actually got a classic medium format camera with some awesome prime lens. I hate you, Victoria. Yes, I get it. Enter the Vortex Club. No.
Так, окей. Тут мы, здаецца, ўсё паглядзелі. Трэба... А, не, адзежу не паглядзелі. Ну, паглядзець, ну.
Dior, Givenchy. You could pay for my tuition with that wardrobe. Those boots are made for walking runways.
Дзе? Прынтер. А во. Распечатать лист. Брошура. Паглядзець. Міжнародны фотограф Марк Джеферсон. Мясцовы паказ 5 лістапада. Пакажыце гэты флаер для скидкі ў $1.
Victoria is a real Jefferson groupie.
Вікторія збірае ўсё Джеферсона. Так. Звестка аб прапажы.
Victoria hates Rachel Amber this much? How insecure.
Так а мы б раздрукавалі ці не раздрукавалі? Штосьці з дошкай Кейт Марш можна зрабіць у калідоры. Так, а дзе у нас дошка Кейт Марш?
Warren should be all over Brooke. They're perfect for each other. Okay, this is just mean and stupid.
А, намаляваць, во. Дзякуй за падказку. Гэта сапраўды варта было зрабіць, яны задзяўбалі травіць бедную дзяўчыну.
Leave me alone, Max. Get a clue.
Dana's still a cheerleader at heart.
Так што мне трэба зрабіць?
I should find a way to end this silly standoff.
I'm not letting her out until she tells the truth. Leave me alone, Max. Get a clue.
Так мы ж узялі ўжо клуб, блин. Ці не ўзялі? Ага.
Speaking of selfies,
Берем
let's
еще.
play a little photo Tetris and leave Victoria a message. Let's move this here, and this one there. A pattern is emerging.
Тепер яна даведаецца, што мы былі ў яе пакоі. Навошта гэта рабіць, незразумела. А, для ачыўкі? Ну ладно, тады мае сэнс. А, можна фота зрабіць. Гэта ўсё нам ніяк не дапаможа з улікам таго, што... Вось яно.
This isn't even recycled paper. Victoria's not. This better convince Juliet that Dana is innocent.
Всё, аллилуйя. Цяпер валім, пакуль гэтая гаўнючка не прыйшла ў свой пакой назад. Ліст.
Juliet, read this.
Of course. I'm an asshole. I'm sorry, Dana.
You are. And I hope so. You really think I'd mess around with Zachary?
No, but I get stupid jealous. I owe you dinner. Still love me?
And you do my laundry.
Thanks, Max. You're like the Blackwell Ninja. Now let's see what Zach has to say about Victoria.
You set me free. Thank you. Warren's flash drive is on my desk.
Almost done. Get the flash drive, and then I'll go see Warren.
Не, можно назад откатить. А ўсё. Уже настолько далёка нельга.
This is both sad and pathetic.
А што там напісана? Дана, я ведаю, што я кепскі пісак, але павінен гэта зрабіць. Калі ласка, не крыўдзіся назаўсёды. Я ведаю, што трымаюся з усімі як нахабны мацак, але я ніколі не трымаўся так з табой. Ты заслугоўваеш лепшае, чым я. Ты бачыла, які я баязлівец? Калі табе патрэбныя грошы, дай мне ведаць. Цалую, Логан. Так, флешка. Тест на цяжарнасць.
That looks like a home pregnancy test.
Max, that's mine. Thank you. You're not helpful. You're just nosy. I think you better go.
Nice, Max. You hurt her feelings by being so damn nosy again. But I could rewind and make it up to her. I assume Dana kept the appointment. Ooh, Dana's Facebook wall is up and running. I shouldn't look.
Must protect my precious so Max never has to chase it down again.
Яна смешная. Здольнасцямі на зараз ужо далёка выйшлі. Жывем з наступствамі. Ну так, жывем з наступствамі. Я мяркую, што яны не будуць прыемнымі, але што паробіш?
Good lord. Dana really was on her own. Hey, Dana.
Seriously, thanks again. I can't believe Juliet locked me in my own room. Real mature.
Dana, I'm not trying to be nosy, but I heard a rumor about you.
What? Who told you I was pregnant?
Nobody important. They just acted like it was bullshit. I just wanted you to know.
It's like a goddamn reality show around here. Can you keep a secret, Max?
Of course.
I was pregnant. Was.
Oh. What about the other?
Deadbeat dad? You can catch him on the 40-yard line this Friday. And it's not Zachary.
Who then? And you don't have to tell me. In fact, you better not.
I like your spirit, Max. Anyway, you better get that flash drive so Warren has an excuse to bug you.
Окей. До речі, у покої Макс так само можна фото зробити для ачивки. Або ми і зробили. Фото у покої Макс. Фотографії, поглядіть.
That's the only tourist picture I let them take of me at the Space Needle.
Что тут фоткать-то? Шуфляда открыть.
Max and Chloe, best friends forever. Who even says that anymore? I'm going to have to call Chloe eventually and find out what she'll say. The longer I wait, the worse it'll be. Idiot.
А во, селфи. Люстерка. Трин-тин-тин. Ну і все, я так розумію. Можна йти. Куди там нам треба йти? Я не супер чекать тут вечно. Я люблю эту стоянку. Я могу полечить совершенно все машины. Чем больше я пишу, тем дольше я буду идти. Лечу. Бывай. Я вось не люблю такое, калі мне тэлефануюць або пішуць у той момант, калі я стаю ў дзвярах, таму што літаралі пакуль я табе адказваю, я не іду.
Fuck this shit.
Ow! That hurt.
Damn, I better rewind.
Fuck this shit.
Ow!
Так що нам треба зробити?
Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.
Ён пролетае скрозь нас.
Fuck this shit.
Alyssa, move your head.
If you insist, Max.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I actually helped somebody.
Дапамагла нарэшце, ты да гэтага чалавеку жыццё выратавала, жанчына. Дарэчы, дзяк, але мы не сябры.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
You can't fool me. I know everything about this school. I cover the waterfront. So you better figure out what side you're on.
Please, leave me alone. Hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for nothing, Max.
Man, I should have stepped in between Kate and David. That asshole was so over the line. I could rewind and try something different.
Alyssa, move your head.
If you insist, Max.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I actually helped
Погнали ўжо. Дапаможніца.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
Hey, why don't you leave her alone?
Excuse us, this is official campus business.
Excuse me, you shouldn't be yelling at students or bullying them.
Hey, nobody is bullying anybody. I'm doing my job.
No, you're not.
You're part of the problem, Missy. I will remember this conversation.
Oh, Max, that was great. I think you scared him for once. I have to go, but thank you. It means a lot.
Anytime, Kate. I felt like an everyday hero helping Kate, but now Officer David Dickhead is...
Дэвид Гандонсон. Лепш няхай Дэвид Гандонсон будзе на хвасце, чым бедная Кейт будзе адчуваць, што ніхто за яе не заступіцца.
I'm glad I stepped in that time. Can't stand to see people being bullied.
I don't get it. How could Zach and Victoria do that to me?
Juliet still looks upset about Zach and Victoria. I don't blame her. Hi, Juliet. How are you doing?
Oh, hey, Max. Sorry, I'm still screwed up.
Sorry you had to find out about Zachary that way. Or anyway.
Better sooner than later. Now that skank Victoria won't be laughing behind my back anymore.
Have you talked to Zach yet?
Mr. Badass Football Hero is such a chicken shit. He said he sexted Victoria as a joke. Ha ha. I think Warren wants your attention.
He usually does. Hang in there, Juliet.
See you around, Max.
Бедная дзяўчына. Яна сапраўды такога гаўна ніхто не заслугоўвае.
And there's Warren. Did he actually buy a used car?
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash. Thanks.
No problem. check out my new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
1978 to be exact. Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
You're in the wrong time, Warren. But then, so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
I bet. I heard Victoria got a face full of paint. I'd pay money to see a photo of that.
Really? I wish I would have known.
You probably could have raised a Kickstarter fund just for that one image of her covered in paint.
Had I known that. Anyway, Victoria took down my photo, so that drama ended well.
By the way, I saw Daniel's sketch of you online. Not bad, but I could do a much better job.
You can draw? I thought you were blinded by science, not art.
Art is science. Music is math, etc., etc. I'd put Stephen Hawking against Picasso any day.
Hardcore. So you must use a computer to draw.
Of course. I'd love to tweak one of your selfies with some cool graphics.
That might not suck. I'll let you know.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
Yeah, thanks. You had some cool shit on there, from Akira to Twilight Zone, which seems apropos today.
I consider myself a pop cultural pirate connoisseur.
That does sound better than thief.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal Holocaust.
Seen it. I was more disturbed by all those emo vampire movies in there.
Can a sensitive high school boy love sensitive vampires too?
So you're sensitive.
Ouch, that sounds awful the way you say it.
Not at all. Sensitive is good, unless you're a pushover. You have hip taste and a quick mind.
Thanks for noticing, Max.
The right girl will too.
If I was lucky. Speaking of hip and fast, we should cruise out in my car to an actual movie this week. But you seem distracted.
Расскажем ему, не расскажем. Ён подається
I
добрим
need to talk to
хлопцем.
somebody, just to get it out of my system.
Dr. Warren Graham is in the house. I won't even prescribe you any meds. Tell me everything.
For reals, Warren, this is between you and me, not social media.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing. Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right? You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
I'm one of his students.
What the fuck ever. I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms. You best tell me what you told the principal, now. Answer me, bitch!
I told him the truth. A student had a gun.
No, you told him I had a gun. That's why he dragged me into his office.
And did what, give you a stern lecture?
Nobody lectures me. Everyone tries, though. They try.
You should talk to somebody, Nathan.
Do not analyze me! I pay people for that. Worry about yourself, Max Caulfield.
I could call the police.
Do it! The Prescotts own the pigs here.
Get away from her, dude!
Hey! Leave him alone!
Nobody tells me what to do! Not my parents, not the principal,
Stop that!
or that whore in the
Right now!
bathroom!
Max? Chloe?
No way. You again.
Go! Go! I got this!
Get in, Max!
Get your punk asses out of there now! Don't even try to run! Nobody! Nobody!
Man, Nathan Prescott is messed up. And dangerous. This day never ends.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe. After 5 years, you're still Max Caulfield. Don't give me the guilty face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously glad to see you. Oh, and thanks, Chloe. It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Yes, it's been that kind of day. So what did that freak want with you?
Hopefully nothing after today. So, how do you know Nathan?
He's just another Arcadia asshole. Your friend really took a beat down for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
You're not the only one in debt. And you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
So I guess Seattle sucked hard?
No, it felt like a real city for artists. Big and bright. Great for taking pictures.
Yeah, must be hard coming back to a hick town like Arcadia again.
Not after seeing you.
Please, girl. You came back for Blackwell Academy.
Only for Mark Jefferson. He was a pretty famous photographer in the 90s. I've always loved his work.
Those that can't do, teach. I'm glad you found a good reason to come back.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
I wanted to. I was just so tripped out over leaving Arcadia.
Oh, please. I'm sure your phone and laptop were frozen in time.
You're merciless.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know. Enough said.
I just wanted to settle in first and not be such a shy, cliché geek. I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use these sad excuses on Mr. Jefferson. Don't use them on me, Max.
Broken. Oh, man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
My step-douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it at my place.
I need very specific, tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage, and he actually is a tiny tool. Welcome home, Max. Come on in, don't be shy.
The house still looks nice.
Home, shit, home. My room looks a bit different than the last time you saw it.
It's cool. At least we can chill out.
This isn't exactly my chill-out zone. My step-Fuhrer makes sure of that. Come in and close the door. Put on some music while I medicate.
А дзяўчына ведае, як правесці час весела. Добра, мы з вами даволі шмат сёння прайшлі. Я мяркую, што на сёння мы пакуль што спынімся. Я, наколькі разумею, тут аўтаматычнае захаванне, таму мне не трэба клапаціцца пра тое, што мы нешта згубім па праходжанні. Увесь не захаваны. Стоп, скасаваць. Так, а як захаваць? Захаваць нельга. Окей. Ну ладно, подтвердить. Будем спадзявацца, што я слушна адчула, дзе кропка гэтага самага пераходу. Дзякуй вам за тое, што прыйшлі, за тое, што былі са мной разам у праходжанні гэтай гульні. І мы з вами сустрэнемся наступным разам на наступным тыдні. Глядзіце ў мой Twitter, там будзе анонс. Дзякуй вам вялікі. Люблю вас.